The new units of the HYDAC Coolant Cleaner series are used for mobile and complete fluid care of coolants. The main function is filtration in the bypass flow. This can triple the service life of the fluid and permanently improve the condition of the filled system. As an option, the units can be supplied with measuring technology for continuous monitoring of concentration, pH and tank level. The coolant cleaner can be connected to individually filled coolant tanks. Thanks to the mobility of the unit, systems can be cleaned as required and flexibly. Only a 400-volt power connection is required. To insert the filter into the housing, the cover must first be opened. Now you can insert the filter basket into the housing. In the case of heavy contamination, a filter bag should be used, while the filter element is used for absolute filtration under high purity requirements. The filter bag is simply inserted into the filter basket and clicked firmly. The different filter baskets for the use of filter elements and filter bags are included in the delivery. A support rod is installed on the filter element after it is inserted into the basket. Now the filter is ready for use, and the cover can be closed and screwed again after the seal has been inserted. In the next step, the hoses must be installed on the tank. To do this, first insert the suction hose and then the pressure hose. It is important to ensure a certain distance between the lances in the tank in order to clean as effectively as possible. Finally, the valves must be opened at the inlet and outlet sides. The coolant cleaner is now started at the push of a button. To relieve the burden on personnel, the coolant cleaner filters itself and switches off automatically when the maximum dirt holding capacity is reached. The display for a necessary element change becomes active. With the coolant cleaner, even acutely contaminated coolant tanks can be freed from particles and oil in the coolant. After the installation of the unit, the suction hose is guided through the tank like a vacuum cleaner and removes dirt in the shortest possible time until the maximum dirt absorption capacity is reached and the unit switches off automatically. If the filter is blocked and replacement is necessary, the remaining amount of coolant must first be drained from the filter housing. After connecting a water hose and opening the drain valve, it can be run into a container and can then be returned to the tank. The filter bag and filter element can now be removed from the housing, including dirt. The next tank can now be cleaned. Benefit from flexible filtration, increased service life, and intelligent automation. Coolant management at a new level with the HYDAC Coolant Cleaner.